What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see how much time you've spent on Instagram, and this is a very useful tutorial guys. So if you find this useful, give this video a like, and if you've seen the channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments below. Right now, how do you do this? You want to go ahead and click your profile on the lowermost right hand side, and then you want to click the burger menu in the uppermost right hand side. That will take you into your settings. Right now, once you're here, you want to choose your activity in the list. Click on that. Then you want to scroll all the way down to where it says time spent. Now once you click on time spent, you'll be able to get a lot of information here. So you'll be able to see on this graph here how much time you spent on Instagram. Now you can see the average there at the top, how much time I spend average per day on Instagram. But if you'd like to see the time you spend per day, all you have to do is just hold down on each of these bars. So as you can see, for today, I already spent 54 minutes. Yesterday, 35 minutes. Previous day, 43 minutes. And the previous day, 56 minutes, right? So that's how you can identify. If you look below, you also see that you can manage your time. You can set a reminder to break on Instagram, so you can click on that, and you can set a reminder every 10 minutes, 20, or even 30 minutes, right? You can also set it to quiet mode to mute all of those notifications when you need to focus. You can also set a daily limit so that this will notify you when you need to close the app. So this is very useful stuff guys that you can set up within Instagram so that you can manage your time, how you spend your time on Instagram. Very useful stuff. Really hope you found this useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like, comments below, and also go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. Thank you very much, and see you next time.